Melissa and Mickey here. I am here on the beautiful Disney Wish. I'm back in the Census Spa, and today I am going to check out a one-day rainforest pass. So for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa and Mickey. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. Book with a Disney expert so you don't miss a thing, and we can discuss your rainforest pass and see if that will be something that your family would enjoy. Now let's go check in and see what we can find. We're going to check in and see if we can go to the Rainforest Room. Hello, how are y'all? Did we get a rainforest pass? Okay. And how much is that, ma'am?
It's $79.
$79 for a day. And then what do we get with that?
It's like an access to the room for unlimited access from 8 o'clock in the morning till 10 o'clock at night.
Oh, we can come back to 8 in the morning to 10 o'clock at night. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Okay, and we're going to sign a form, and then we're going to get a sticker, and the sticker is going to allow us to come in and out all day long until 10 p.m.
10 p.m. You're right.
Okay, thank you. Very nice.
That's your bracelet to access the rainforest.
Okay, we have a bracelet that's going to access the Rainforest Room. Very good. Kind of like a magic band. So we're going back here, and we're following our guests, or our cast member. She's got
Mom, this is your changing area. So if
changing
you want
area.
to keep your things in one of the lockers, this is where you go.
Perfect.
Enter.
Great.
And then normally, you just need to open the door. It's automatically open once you activate the rainforest room.
So we can go through the changing area, and now we're going to the Rainforest Room.
Alright, so remember the marks. We do have decorative lights that will point us to the rainforest room. So you've got one by the ceiling, and then you've got one by the wall, okay? You just need to follow this all the way to the end, and it will direct to the rainforest.
So we're to look at the glass. Okay, and that's going to direct us to the rainforest.
There you go. And the rainforest room is here.
Oh, here we are, rainforest.
So that's the rainforest room. Now I want to check, ma'am, your bracelet if it's working. You need to scan your bracelet over here. Perfect. Just wait for the green light, and it's
Okay.
all yours.
She recommends to use the rainforest during the day so it won't be dark.
That's your hot tub.
Okay, here's a hot tub. Nice. Okay.
Swing chairs, and then some people can sit also in the hot tub.
Okay.
So taking the time that there's still some sun.
Yeah, this is great. Thank you. We've got a shower here. We've got water. We've got areas here to lay. This is nice here and open, and I like the way that they're hung. That's really cool. That's awesome. We've got lots of little areas here to lay down, to rest and relax. We've got 2 hot tubs. Here's one. That's lovely, and its sun is shining. Very nice. Here's another shower. Here's the rainforest outdoor that we were just in. And then here we have some heated seats that our guests are enjoying. That's really nice. And then here we have hammam. Now let's see what's in here. Whew, nobody's in there now, but yeah, we did the hammam when we were in Morocco, so that's pretty cool. And then we've got chairs up here, and then let me see what else I can find. We have water, and we have tea, which is nice. And then we have our towels here. That's awesome. Rainforest info. 18 and up. Bathing suits are required. Awesome. Okay, I found a frigidarium. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, look at that. So you can lay in here in the cold. There's seats. Goodness gracious. Ice not for consumption, but it's keeping everything cold. This is awesome. It actually feels really good in here. I am in the rainforest on the Disney Wish, and I'm in the Ice-atorium. This is great. It's so fun to explore all Disney has to offer. I love Disney Cruise Line. This is so fun. Oh, it's the frigidarium. That's so cool. Oh, and look what else I found over here. We've got hot or cold towels. And then we've got more towels here. We've got another shower. Hello. And then we've got a laconium. So let's open this up and see what we've got. Okay, this laconium is, ooh, it is hot in here. Hot, hot, hot. Ooh, it's really warm in the laconium. But man, this would be a good place to rest and relax. Here's your temperature gauge. And you can turn it. And then you can only stay in here 15 minutes, I think. Whew, I'm getting out of here. It's hot. Woohoo! And then wouldn't that be nice to be in there and then actually get into the cooling area? So fun. There's several different showers, so after you're in one of the hot areas or you come from outside and you want to shower, you can do that here. That's super cool. And this is really lovely. Thermal enhancements. You can do polish, cleanse, relax, purify, heal, and hydrate. Those are all $19. And they are here, so feel free to grab those and then use them and then shower off. That's really cool. Yeah, this is a great place to rest and relax. Now I'm going to go outside and I'm going to find a place to, here's Rainforest Outdoors, to rest, relax, and listen to my book. And I'm gonna try to find a place that's not too much in the sun. So I think this one is gonna do the trick right here. Look at that. It is swinging. No, it turns. Cool. So they rotate when you get in. That's really cool. I think I'm going to enjoy my day. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa and Nikki. You can find me at Melissa@Crazy Imagination Travel. Book with a Disney expert so you don't miss a thing. And don't mind me, I'll just be here relaxing on the Disney Wish in the Rainforest Room. See you real soon.